In today's video, I'll show you how to add a new user on your laptop. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings on your laptop. Inside Settings, click on Accounts. On the left side, you'll see several options. Select Other Users. Now, look for the option Add Account and click on it. A new window will appear asking for the Microsoft account email of the person you want to add. If the user already has a Microsoft account, simply enter their email and follow the instructions. If the person doesn't have a Microsoft account, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information, then select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Next, enter a username and create a password for the new account. After filling in the details, click Next. Windows will now create the new user account on your laptop. Once it's done, the new user will appear in the list of accounts, and that's it. That's how you can easily add a new user on your laptop running Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.